we've converted it into this POJO
Uh-huh.
order event.
Order event POJO.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now once that's done, we're going to call the process and upsert fill to ES. This order processor fill ES. So let's go into this. Yeah. So here, like we discussed, right? So what I'm doing is, first, I am only trying to convert this. Let's go into
That fill ETD to the shipment carton.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. This is the mapper. So I have like three. Like if you look at the implementation here. Yeah, so what I did was I tried to divide it into three categories, the mappers. First is only those from the order header. So that it's not dependent on whether it has shipments or any carton details. So only those with the order headers, it's going to convert. It's going to map all the fields, whatever fields which are dependent on the order header.
Okay.
So once, not this, where is it? Yeah. So once that's done, right? Where is this? Okay, it's going into all of the. Okay, let's do it. So there is a order ID last updated, and an ID. I just here I'm just making it only the order ID for now because it still doesn't have any shipment. So then I get this shipment carton. Now I'm going to check if it has any shipment list or not. So yeah, if the shipment list is if there are no shipment lists, it will directly upset whatever we've created. But since this one has a shipment list, it's going to go into this loop. So now what I'm doing, I'm going to loop over all the shipments. So what is the size of this? I think the size is only one, the shipment.
No, but again, when you loop this, right,
Yes.
isn't it like it will overwrite that POJO like with the latest shipment? Are you get?
It should. No, it won't override it because I'm passing the same POJO onto my this mapper. This will be my target. So whatever we've mapped until now, it's going to stay.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you see this, right, let's. So what I did is I just mentioned that this is my target when I'm sending that whatever. For now, only the order header details have been mapped. So I'm sending this as the target here. So what it's going to do is it's going to take this and it will map the remaining fields from the shipment information.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, is this a good approach or what are you doing?
No, I was trying to map it like I was looping and I was trying to map, but when I mean, I haven't tested, but I think that when I loop, right? So let's say if I have two shipments,
Yeah.
so first it will loop to the first shipment, and the second shipment, if it's there, it will the first shipment.
Right, exactly. That was the problem I was facing too. Like I did not understand how to do that. If we map it from first, how will it know that it has to create a new object for the next shipment?
Correct.
Yeah, that's why I thought this would work.
Okay. Yeah, even I think, yeah, this is how I need to do then. Yeah. Yeah, I think this should be fine and then.
Yeah, we can do this, right? We can mention the target here. I think we can do this because it's working.
Okay.
Yeah, so here what I did is, so it will map all the shipment fields here, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then, why is this? Yeah. So here it's going to map all the shipment, all the shipment details. So now the shipment carton is updated. updated with the shipment details, as you can see.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, few other shipment ID, delivery method, and now the ID is also updated. So I've attached a -1. There's a method here.
So this is the order ID, shipment ID.
Yeah, order ID, shipment ID. I think we
Okay.
have to add a 0 also. I'm not like since we're not yet confirmed with this, I just added the shipment ID here. So it's going to update the same shipment carton object.
Okay.
So we're good here. So now about the carton line detail list. So this is also the carton line details. It's also we're getting this information from the line item. Like I am getting information from line item. I think yours is directly from shipments only.
Right.
Yeah. So what I did is, so here I'm looping over the line item list. Here I have to check like which is the matching line item for this particular shipment number, and I'm trying to add it to that. So I'll do the mapping and I'll add it to this carton line detail list. And I'm setting it to the shipment carton. There's no direct, straightforward way to do this.
Right.
Yeah. My doubt here is, Ashwath, do you think I can do all this logic here, or should I create a different class and then maybe point a method?
I think we can keep it here. That should be fine. I don't think it should be an issue. And one more, how are you getting this data? Like you're getting from the order details, right? Like this order, you're listening to that ETD messages, right?
The topic, yes.
So that you're getting those messages from that topic?
Yes, I'm getting. In case you're not getting right, there's another way that we can do. There's a GCP publisher API.
Okay.
So we can publish events to that GCP PubSub, and you can listen to the same topic.
Okay.
I mean, you can publish messages to that topic, and so yours will work as it's supposed to.
Okay. Because I haven't, like, for UOP, I didn't see much messages coming, so I'm not sure. Okay.
Yeah. I will share that project with you. You can just run it and you can publish
The messages, like, to that?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you have that sample messages, like, what all messages, like message template?
What I do is, here, this is the one, like, if in case I don't get any events, I do this.
Mm-hmm.
So only thing is we have to add a correlation ID here in the headers.
Okay.
And the body will be the normal what my fulfillment order.
Right.
In JSON, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. And I send here, and I will receive this in my
here. But to what topic you are posting that message?
Okay, let me show you that GCP here. Here. So this is the API. So here, this is the topic that my subscriber is on. So when I run this, right, so it will be running with the host, and I go into Postman and I connect to this.
Okay.
And then I just send it. So since the shipment processor Phil is already listening to that topic.
Right. So this message, like the same message, will it be the same for that UOP, or will it be different message?
It will be different, Ashwath. Your message, it will be different, right? Your fields and everything will be different.
So this is the ETD message you are publishing, right?
Yeah, it's an ETD message.
Right. Okay. Do you have your UOP, or you know how can get that one? I mean,
I think Satya was actually working on previously, right? He would have a bunch of samples.
Okay.
I think you can ask him.
Okay. I'll check with him.
Yeah, he might have also used this. Yeah.
Okay. So now so this is like first. So if there is like multiple shipment, you have that the second carton index.
Yes. So let's see. See, this is still one, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I am going over this, and I'm okay. So So I'm setting the carton line details here. And then what's going to happen is we should, so for if we have two shipments, we have to create two separate
ID.
objects, right?
Yeah.
Two objects. So the next step will be it's going to check if it still has any carton detail, like the delivery trucks tracking list. If it does not have, it's going to directly go and upsert it. So this will be the ID, it will upsert the document there.
Okay.
So the first document will be upsert, the first shipment will be upserted. So in case there are 2 or 3, it will go back to the loop, it will create another shipment carton object and then it will upsert it.
Okay. So that is going to the loop. Did you test that? I mean,
I haven't seen multiple shipments yet. So in order to see that, that's what I'm testing. So here I got stuck, this upsert fill data to ES.
oh, okay.
Yeah. So when I try to go into this, right, yeah, so what's happening is here. It's failing somewhat here. I don't know. I did not write this, so
Oh, okay.
yeah, but I tried to, yeah, here, see. If you look at, I'm getting a lot of events, so I'm not even able to properly
Oh, is it?
track
Okay.
this. Yeah.
Okay, okay. No issues.
So
Okay.
yeah, if you see this, I don't know, like
Yeah,
let
I'll
me-
try to follow. Like, I wasn't sure, like, how do I, because I wasn't getting any messages, so I didn't know how
Okay.
to test this one. But yeah, just, I think I'll just send me that publish message. Like, I just need to run it in my local, right? The GCP publisher project.
Sure. Can you show me your code, Ashwath? Like, are you going to follow the similar approach or whatever you're using?
Yeah, I'm gonna like pretty much I'm gonna do the same thing because when I tried with the one that loop, right? So it was like I was thinking it will only overwrite with the latest shipment list.
Yes, yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
I will also, I have a sample with multiple shipments, but since I'm getting these messages, I'm not able to read mine. So that's one problem there.
Okay.
Yeah, I will share this project with you, and yeah, you can get the sample from Satya.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Anisha. Did you check in this one or?
I did not.
Okay.
I did not check it in.
Okay.
Should I, like, because I'm stuck here, I did not.
But you can just create some future branch and you can just check it in
I
there.
will do that. I just
Yeah.
create one and I'll send you the details.
Yeah, sure. Thanks,
Okay.
Anisha.
No problem. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay.